Understanding why random numbers in C can appear the same. When you are working with random numbers in C, you may notice that every time you execute your program, you receive the same number sequence. This might seem confusing at first, especially when using srand to try to generate different numbers. Understanding why this occurs and how to mitigate it is crucial for many applications in computing, such as simulations, games, or any scenario where unpredictability is desired. The nature of random number generation in C. In C programming, random number generation is handled using the rand function, which is part of the standard library. However, it's essential to recognize that the random numbers generated by rand are not truly random. They are pseudo-random, meaning they follow a predictable sequence. This sequence is controlled by a seed value. The role of srand function. Srand is used to set the seed for the random number generator. When you call srand with a seed value before using rand, it initializes the random number generator to start producing a repeated but seemingly random sequence of numbers from that seed. The default seed value, if srand is never called, is usually set at the start of the program, leading to the same sequence on every execution. Why do numbers remain the same? If you use a constant seed, example srand 1, the sequence of random numbers will always be identical. This is often the accident of many beginners. Furthermore, if srand isn't called at all, the seed defaults to a standard value determined by your system, again producing a consistent sequence. Achieving different sequences. To achieve different sequences in every run, you can seed the random number generator with a value that changes, such as the current time. Using srand time null ensures a different seed for every program execution, given that the time changes continuously. Here's a simple implementation. Key takeaways. Pseudo-random nature, rand, produces a sequence of numbers that is predictable when the seed remains constant. Seeding with srand, utilize a changing seed to diverge from predictable sequences. Srand time null is a common strategy. Consistency for testing, using a static seed can be beneficial for debugging, ensuring consistent results across multiple test runs. In summary, while C's random number generation isn't inherently random, understanding its mechanics allows you to manipulate and utilize this predictability or randomness effectively depending on the context of your application.